Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is something different actually. You can see here this is a 10 kg washing machine, front loader washing machine, brand wise LG. This is 2-in-1, that's been washer and dryer, 10 kg wash and 7 kg dry machine. This machine actually totally dead, it's not working at all. Because of that we collected machine to the workshop. Now I'm going to repair. Also, I have to repair immediately. I will show you how to repair and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, you can see here the door we are not able to open the door because it is already got lock. You can see here. Also here the options are already gone because this is little bit old model. Also DD motor, 10-year warranty, and here also some damage display. But anyway, now I given power connection. You can see the problem. It's not working. That's mean we are not able to power on. We cannot switch in on. This is the problem with this machine. Now we have to remove the top cover. After that we will check what is the problem, where is the exactly problem, why is power not coming, or we have to check everything. Now anyway we will remove the top cover. After that we can understand. I will remove here 2 screws. Yes dear. Now I can take it out. You can see dear friends, here also some balance weight, that one also we will remove. It's very heavy actually. Now we can take it out. Yes dear, it is very heavy. We can take this part also separately. It's very heavy actually. This part we can take separately. Now we can take this. Now dear friends, now it is very easy to check. Now we will check first here 230 power supplying or not. I given again power connection. Also I'm going to use my analog meter, multimeter. I'm selecting here 250 volts. Now I will remove this part. Here this connector I will remove. This is the power supply, and we can check here. Yes dear, you can see here it is 230 already supplying to the machine, but machine not getting start. Now we will check other side also. Now dear friends, what I'm going to do, I will give the connection here. I will check here, other side I will remove. Yes, I removed already. Now again I will check here. It is 230 power going to the main board or not. Yes my dear, that's mean this filter is okay. That's mean power supplying to the main control board. You can see here. Again I will fix as same before. Now dear friends, we have to check main control board. Now dear friends, now I'm going to remove the main control board. We have to remove the back of the back cover. After that we can find, because this machine main control board underneath the drum, that's mean top of the bottom cover. Now it's okay. Now after removing screw, you can see dear friends, here we have to push here inside. It's like that. After that, very easy to come. You can see here, it's like that. Here push like that, and after that it will come easy. Now you can see dear friends here, dear friends, now I'm going to remove the main control board. Here I cannot show you because here one screw, after that it will come. Yes dear, I have to remove here one screw. Here one screw, actually it's very difficult to find also. Yes dear, I remove already. If you are not removing control board, we cannot take it out. Now we can take it out. It's like that. It's very easy. Now we can take it out. Yes dear, it's coming like that. This screw only we have to remove. Here, this is the screw. It will come here. Here, screw will come here. This one removing, after that we can take it out like that. Here locks. Now I will remove the cover. Now dear friends, you can see now you can see the board here. It is melted already, but anyway we will check this fuse. If it is that fuse gone, machine not getting we are not able to switch it on. Now we will check that fuse. Yes dear, you can see here, this fuse already gone. You can see here that fuse already gone. That is the reason machine not working. The reason is actually we don't know, because it's not leaking water also here. It's no way to come here because it's coming like that this way. But anyway, now we have to keep temporary. I will bypass here. After that we can understand it's whether working or not. Yes dear friends, I will show you again the problem. This one you can see here, this fuse gone. The reason we don't know, I have to check. It is already gone. Now I'm going to bypass this fuse. Here, because I given small wire, because If it is any shortage, we can check like that. Anyway, now we can check here. I will give the power connection and we will check. Yes, dear friends. Yes, dear friends. Now we can check. I given already here. I will give the power connection also. We can check. Yes, my dear, it is already came here. Light. Now it should work. Now I will start the machine. Yes, dear. But it is having some issue with the selector switch. But anyway, door not open still. Yes, we can open the door. Earlier we are not able to open the door. Now we will check the machine. I will check with the Q test. Yes, dear. I can check with the Q test. Now door already got lock. I will press one time. Now drum rotating. You can see, dear friends, drum is rotating. Now it will take higher RPM. Now it is 600 showing RPM. Now I will press, it will come maximum 1400. That means up to 1300 will increase. Now it's already came, my dear. It is maximum RPM. You can see here. I didn't fix the water connection, because of that it's showing NF. That's mean not filling water. It's showing 1360. 136 mean 70. That is the maximum. Now I will press again. Now it will stop. At the same time, inlet will realize. Yes, dear, this inlet valve already start. That means it's realized. We will check other one. Yes, other one also is realized. Now no water. I didn't fix the water, because of that I'm not able to check water. Now anyway, it will come. It will show the frequency now. Inlet frequency. Also machine will run again clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yes, dear. Now it's running. Now we can check the dry also, dry duct. Now drain pump start. Now we can see the blower. You can hear the noise. Dry. Heater is working. Blower also working. Yes, my dear, it's getting heat. No any problem now, but I'm not find what is the exactly problem. Why is fuse gone? Because some customers using twin tub, that's means semi-automatic washing machine powder for this machine. If you are using the same detergent powder or liquid, it will come bubble. After bubble come going here and there, is becoming water, at the same time getting short. That's what I'm thinking, I'm suspecting. Now machine is running well without any problem, but anyway we will give the water connection and we will check one cycle. I will fix the control board permanently. Now machine will get stopped. And this is the end. I will give the water connection and we will check. Also before that I will have to fix the control board as same before. Connect the power again. I already disconnect the power. Yes. Now I will cover again. Dear friends, I'm going to start again with the power I given. I'm going to start with the water. I already given water connection. Now we will start here. And also quick 30. I selected quick 30 and I will start the machine. Yes dear, door already got locked. Here door already locked. Water also taken to the machine. Now dear, machine is working. Also water taken to the machine. I selected quick 30. Now dear friends, you can see machine is running. Yes dear, machine is running well without any problem. Still I'm suspecting customer use I'm still thinking customer use some the unprofessional, otherwise semi-automatic powder. Because of that forming bubble. After that still you can see here I didn't use any detergent, but still inside having too much bubble. Because of that it's formed bubble. After that it became water. It went to the main control area or somewhere. Now after repairing main control board, machine is running well without any problem. And now my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. I have to fix top cover and back cover only. After that I can hand over to the customer also. If you are not still subscribe my channel, I'm requesting kindly subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.